In this section, you will learn 5 core combination moves, and you're going to need a timer. During your first set, you'll perform each move consecutively for 1 minute, using one dribble in between each combination move to gather yourself before performing that move again. And the next set, you'll perform each move for 2 minutes. And in the last set, you'll perform each move for 3 minutes. Now remember, sit down low by bending at your knees, not bending over at your hip, and keep your core as tight as possible. You don't want to put a lot of strain on your back. Now, when these moves are practiced each day, it will strengthen your forearm muscles and your fingertips, allowing you to easily handle the ball under pressure. Your forearms will burn, but once you do this more often, they will stop burning, and that means that you're growing. These are the moves used consistently at the high school, collegiate, and professional levels. Once these moves are mastered, you'll be more comfortable altering these moves to fit the situation that you're in.